Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Specifically the passenger power window fuse, guys. We're going to demonstrate on 2016 F-150. You have two different fuse boxes. The main fuse box is located under the hood on your F-150, and if you open that fuse box, you're going to see different fuses, relays that could be really expensive, hard to find. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spares from at a good price and quick shipping for your convenience, guys. So the fuse that we need for the passenger power window, front right power window, will be in the cabin, in the passenger footwell, guys. Right here, if you remove, guys, that kick panel, you're going to open a fuse box that looks just like this one. Okay, right there, that's the fuse box layout. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So right here, guys, this is the fuse box, right? If we're going to zoom in a little bit so we can clearly see, you see the numbers on the left side, then they come right here, 23, 4, 5, we have number 26. The fuse that we'll need for the passenger power window will be fuse number 26 from top to bottom on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth fuse right here, 30 amp fuse will need to be checked for the passenger power window.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.